making table and add sections, right? Add functionality. Now we are going to the delete. I need it. Let's make delete. Oh, there is not clickable. Let's see what happened. And this is we are creating a delete dialog, and there is a delete dialog. Is open, on close, on confirm, id open. Oh, there is a is open. Okay, let's see the dialog section. Check export dialog is open, unclose, and confirm section, title, message, confirm text. If you want to send any text dynamically, you have to set your variable, otherwise you have to set as a static text. Okay, I am making now dynamic, so any message I will send from there, it will be coming. So after this dialog box, we have to import here. Okay, dialog, and then pass the parameters. Okay, it's open. After click to this action, where is my action? Yes, render action. If delete, I will pass the items and the show to. Okay, after that I will get the dialog button. So yes, if I click, let's delete. Oh, there is no destroy method we have to create. Let's go to admin area, and destroy router is have, right? So what is the issue? Let's see, index, admin index, and let's on delete function, it means no users, so admins destroy, then toaster have been success. Okay, let's use toaster. Before toaster, let's check first of all is working or not, right? Let's delete. Yes, delete. Okay, if delete, cancel, not deleted, right? So after click to edit, let's make to edit functions. Okay, copy this grid. Okay, first of all, and paste into edit. And then what is we need? Only name, email, phone number, less this one, and image. Okay, remove this one, and then no need to this, everything is fine. And then we have to pass the items for edit, and then create admin to edit admin. Then here is we have to update route, and then data id. Okay, so data we have to here, and here is we need put method or post method. Okay, let's put method as well, put as I use form data. Everything is fine, and then we need to, where is this edit, we need to pass here existing admin coming to as a admin any, or we have to create here one interface as admin, let's say any we have to pass now. It's the TypeScript we have to enter admin interface. Let's make an interface. Okay, it's a TypeScript, so better to handle two types. Interface as admin, we need ID, name, email, phone number, and avatar. I think that's it. Okay, so we need to pass here admin. Small admin. So this admin admin is coming. Then let's set name is a name, if not as a string. Then ID, email is email, same number is a number. Okay, file is a file. After that we have to image preview. There is a string as a null and then null. So here we have to admin dot avatar, right? So after that go to handle submit, update, then id is equals to category not admin. We have to this one and pass the admin. What happened? Let's see. Then on progress, percentage, on success, then file handle changes, everything is the same. Create admin to edit admin for this one, then copy this. Everything is you have to copy user and then new admin, create admin, edit admin, then back option, then handle name and email and then phone number. After that this one and this one, no need, right? After that there is an error. Let's see. Unexpected 44. Okay, yes, here is a issue already showing here, because we don't need this one, right? So it will be handle. It's coming. So why it's not coming to image? Means there is a base URL is not appended to the users. So let's append base URL of this admin. First of all, go to the controller. Okay. Yes, here you need to admin avatar is equals to this one first of all, and then pass to here. After that, click to here, it will become let's name is coming email. That's the mistake. So go to the edit section and check here name is equals to name. That means something is mistake in database. See, okay. So name also coming to email. That mean let's see another user to create. First of all, go create, click this one. There is a June name. Let's add this dumb image and upload. Okay, edit, coming. Okay, let's to update. Okay. Oh, there is a validation error. Let's see here because we don't binding the data. Here we have to getting from the routes binding admin id, but here we have to passing to id. If you check in the route list, there is admin passing. So here is we need to use user dollar admin. So direct binding data here, no need to this one. Okay, after that we have to pass there. This is a unique validation will be all. Let's check, let's update, send. 10 character validation issue again, no need to this validation here. Min max only required and a string. Okay, then update, save. See, update it and save. This is admin and user section. Let's make later. Now admin section is clear, right? So let's create categories with icons. First of all, now is easy we have, right? So go here, PSP partition make model category -m, then go to the migration. Okay, go here, name of the category, select of the category, image of the category, description need, parent need, created by and updated by. Let's leave this one. Okay, PSP partition migrate, right? That's it. Go to model, let's upgrade the model. First of all, import has any relation belongs to, no. First of all, we need to create this one. Parent is parent, child is child. Okay, then another is we have to select. So use as select. Okay, so where we have to select, then option selects. After that, let's create options. Okay, let's cast parent reserve. Option is this one, get selects. Okay, name is a select. It will be create a unique select for this name for the Spanish logger, and then we have to pass any relations. We'll add the more relations in the here later, okay, if we require. Let's one more thing we have to mistake, and if we add status of this category, let's remember now, later we will add if we need status, okay. And then what is this? Yes, category sections, right? So let's create PSP artisan make everything, make request store category store update request data once PSP, and then go here, let's validate, right, this category. So there is name slug and images, no need to slug, minimum 3, that's minimum 2, image nullable, jpg format 2 MB, description nullable, existing, parent id is nullable and existing, okay. And then let's create controller. Before this one, go to admin, create controller. Yeah, we can controller from here, ps, okay, PSP artisan make controller admin category controller, right. Let's see category controller. First of all, let's copy this admin check controller here, okay, because we need everything from the admin controller. Change to category controller, everything is fine. Let's replace control F if you're using VS Code, user to category, right. So replace admin to category, also replace, and this categories to categories, okay, categories. That means everything is fine, see. And the category request, category store and update request, only this one. Go to the store section and update section, right. So let's create this one. Source parameter is we already need it. Let's later we have to optimize this one, we will do. Now let's the functions, and then category we need name, and if we need slug, okay, fine. And then we need to image of the category and created it, no need this one. And here also only name section for filtering, and there is a rule is no need, okay. Category selected from this when source and order by and pagination with the category get storage image to image, okay. And then the categories to index, then sending categories, source filter, index to create, everything is fine, image, okay. Then if you get a name, not phone number, password needed, that's it. After that, this rule is no need for us. And then return category created successfully, edit categories, and image to avatar to image, and one more thing will pass later, okay. Update, no need to this phone number, emails, then go to image, right. so images, and then update category. After that delete image, avatar to image. One more thing we need to do here while creating, pass the parent category, right? What we have to do here, categories is equals to category, select name and id and name with descendants. Okay, with the descendant order. Descendant means first of all parent, and under this child, child under this child, child under this child. This is a tree, right? So and here is first of all is parent only coming. Okay, and before this we have to here categories, no, let's flattened categories. Okay, flattened categories means categories equals to this flatten categories, pass to these categories, and let's we need anything, no, this. Okay, let's make this six functions in here are public functions flattened. That means id and categories we have looping here with the prefix. Okay, prefix, if we need here remove null and result in array. Okay, result and coming in arrays. So let's see this auto generated code, and first of all we need to phrase categories is equals to and then here we need to path is equals to first of all prefix have to prefix dot prefix. Okay, if we have a prefix then this one, and then category name, right, and then category name. Here is no need this one. Okay, then we need to result is equals to path is equal to category id and a path, name is equal to category name, then path is equals to path, and then label, in which label, then substring count, path is equals to this one. Okay, no need this one. Oh sorry, that's it. So now if category have descendants and category descendants count is greater than 0, yes, count counted 0, then result we have pass again descendant path and result. This is nth looping. Okay, nth level of categories. There is no first main category and a subcategory. It will be handle sub of sub and then like this. Okay, category level 1, then level 2, like this. Okay, so all. So let's relation make for the this descendant. Okay, public function descendants means has main category with parent id is equals to no, we are making already children relations, right? So this auto generated, no need. We need to children with descendants means looping. And another is parent function is needed for me, right? Because of we have to query here. What is this? Yes, is parent. That means scope we have to create. Go to the category. Let's create public function scope is parent, or parent id is not null. Let's get to the first of all in route sidebar, then go copy this one. Let's before the user's information. Okay, categories, right? So categories, and here also tag icon we need. Okay, so after that we need to check in the view section, not a user, it's a tag, right? So something is not building. Let's copy this admin everything and paste in the here and rename this one categories, right? So we need index. Let's see, admin to category index, right? So here is categories, and then we need to image type is image, circle to rectangle. Okay, let's see the table. Go to table. What was the type? Another we have to define image, circle, design and a rectangle. Okay, and one more thing you have to use, if on error in image send event current null and this placeholder image in your public directory. If you any folder you have to create here, otherwise you have to see in the here direct. Okay, also here. So let's see the what are the checking before image type is rectangle. Yes, and then if we need to slot, there is slot. Okay, let's sortable for Sherlock false. Okay, and then phone number no need and created it. Okay, and then here is we need to send categories, copy this one, paste also header in categories, here also admins to categories route, right? Here is a single category, here user to tag icon. Okay, let's create also the route. Come here, categories and category controller. Let's update here category controller. Okay, let's see. Category controller, category controller, category controller. Oh, there is admin. Namespace is missing, so not imported, right? Let's create. Clicked. Let's see. Categories index page not found under this category to categories, right? So here not categories, here is admin under categories to categories, admin, and same on admin. That's it, right? So now let's see to click category list section. After that, click on this. It's creating categories as admin. Okay, let's change everything for according to category. Go to the create section. Let's change first of all admin to categories. Categories, same on categories. All right. So here is we need one interface also. Interface category with path. Okay, that means, and it will be extends category. Okay, let's make interface let's category define here, interface category, and then name image log icon created it and updated it, then show extended here path string and then level number. All right, that's it. So breadcrumbs also build the category, create admin to create category, and then go to create function. Let's pass here the parent categories. Okay, categories we have to pass from the parent category, and then there is category is equals to with parent category in the list. Okay, then name, description, let's see description needed or not. Category description also. Okay, and parent id also let's pass. I think we have to use, let's see, one more is here. Mhm. That's it, I think. Then go to categories, then everything is fine here, and then image upload boolean while to create categories. All right, and let's see, after that avatar, no avatar here, we need image, right? Avatar to image, so create admin to category, and then create admin to category. Let's copy and find admin to category. Okay, and then categories to categories. Okay, and then go back, name we need, and this email no need, and phone number no need, password no need, and this is no need. Image we need if it's required, image is required, image is need. Let's see, category section, something issue coming. What is this? Categories index is not defined. Oh, replace is again mistake, right? Because here is route admin, and same one here is admin. Again issue. Okay, that mean again have, what is this, category dot admin. Okay, yes, name and categories. So name also create a user label, no, tag icon is better, same one, this one, tag icon. Okay, let's add the parent section first here. Okay, because we need to parent section. What we have to do for parent section, we need to select option. Okay, then select option, we let's make one more thing for description section. Okay, before the select section we need to image description. Let's select the txt area. No, we don't have text area component. Let's go to create. What is, we have to this input here, so text area dot tsx. Okay, let's create text area component first of all. Here is a function to text area, and then we need to get class name comma props, and here what type of React dot component props text area. Okay, and then let's see, and pass to your props, right? So then default export text area, right? Import here React from React, and then import cn from library of utils, and let's pass the design cn. Okay, there is a function of cn, and then pass the class name, right? So this props is under the text area. Oh no, here props, right? So let's the class. Class name will pass in here, and close this cn functions and props. Let's see the output. Something misses. File text is not defined to create 169, right? So text area is fine. Let's go to here. File text is not defined. Okay, file text icon for text area, txt area from the UI component of text area. Again mistake. Props is iterable in text area. All right. So text area, there is a class name and a props, and then React props text area, and then props are not iterable. That mean not here. Let's push here and here, then remove this one. Okay, gone. As description, name, and categories. Let's for the parent go to here. What I have to do now is the description. If you go to create section, yes, I am creating one label for description, and as a file text, copy this one, and text area component I am making, and then here is passing the classes from the backend. So why need these areas? Means if we sending past this description as a component, we have to create it. Okay, sorry. And then text area, we have to pass class name and props, and description areas as a React props, and then text area, class name and props. See this one, this is a common text area component, and then we have to import here, and validation checking, and then let's create the now parent sections, right? So let's first of all parent section label. Okay, first of all div, give the class name, what we have to space y2. Okay, then we need to label, wait, this auto generated giving a problem, labels categories, right? Tag icon of the parent categories, and this is flex item center, gap to text medium, text gray 700, and dark gray 200, and tag icon primary, dark, light, primary, and text. Okay, let's import first of all select. After then we need to select, this is a component UI select, then value pass to here, data dot parent id. If parent id not have, then none, right? So on change value, we have to pass value, and then set data is the parent id is equals to value, right? That's it. And parent id is not in the data, means we have to define here props, right? Set data values. So go name, description, then parent id, and images only. So go here, where is select option? Yes, now has been gone, right? So now let's create let's close first of all this select, and then this class no need. Okay, and then here select trigger class name equals to h12 w full, and then here select value is a placeholder, select parent categories. Okay, let's import select trigger from the React component, and select value from the React component. This trigger not closed, let's close. Okay, and then let's another select content from the content UI, and here select item from the component UI, value is none, no parent, select item, and then let's looping the parent categories and select of the parent categories and items. That's it, no need here. So here is key IDs, parent string as a ID values. Okay, and then let's pass to the class name. Here is a little bit padding left true. Okay, and then director not name, let's one span tag, and then class name of this span tag is inline block. Okay, and let's pass style. Here is we need to pass margin left, category label into 12 pixel. Okay, not 20, so 12 pixel. And then another is, let's close the category dot label is greater than 0, and let's this one and this one. Copy this icon. Okay, this one, and send down. This name is equals to category dot name. Okay, that's it. Now validation error get from here. After that select, let's paste this validation error, parent ID is a circle. Let's see, something is a mistake in the map section, create tsx. Okay, so category we cannot map, answer. Okay, if category have and category map, right? So there is no categories, no looping, no parent category, right? So let's test first category, electronics, description also electronics, no pattern electronics. Let's test as this one icon. Admin category index is a mistake in the backend. That means go to here. There is a route. It's a missing. Same on the where. Okay, fine. And then descendants on model relationship undefined. Let's see the spelling mistake. Categories, descendants. Alright, so categories, descendants, descendant. Okay, see, okay, it's coming. Let's see why not parent category is coming now. And that means, let's see the errors in the here. Click to here, then after click, let's okay. That means coming categories only, not passing to parent categories. This is the main thing. So categories is equals to categories. No need this one now. Okay, that means let's see, something is missing. What is the error? To parent categories, $29 name. Oh, there is admin uses already. Let's see. Here is admin passing to create, not admin. Oh, while editing not implemented, bro. What are you doing? Yes, here. Yes, coming. Right. So electronics under to Samsung, like electronics category, no need to icon. Let's save. Okay. Let's see. Another is Apple. So there is go. There is not working. Okay, because parent is electronics. So here is mistakes, like descendant is coming because of their. Go to categories. Let's see. There is parent id is not coming. Let's see, the one is the parent id, electronics and electronics. That means it will be created parent categories. See, that means here is the relation is not coming properly. Okay, let me solve this one. Where is this? If we click to go here, then descendant is not coming. Let's console log categories, right? There is path is not coming. Label 0 only coming. That means something is missing on the relation. Let's see the descendant. Category, we have to create descendants. Okay, then categories we are creating. Where is this store method is descendants, right? So go to here, still not coming. Then categories, result, descendants, spelling mistakes. Where if you see, okay, under the Samsung, let's create Samsung M21 and this is Samsung 121. If we go here, let's see Samsung M21. Okay, there is not taking a parent categories. Okay, let's send the data is parent id is null. So this one is parent id equals to here is one logic we need, constant. Okay, normalize parent id equals to from data dot parent id is null, then return null, or or data parent id is sometime none. If none is null have, then number is parent id. So parent id is equals to normalized parent id, and while creating category controller, let's see, store name only. That's the main mistakes. Parent id description we need, right? Same on parent id and description we need. That's why there is a mistake. Let's see, Samsung S23 is under Samsung created. Let's see, and Samsung S23 under Samsung. Okay, that's great. Another is, let's see, main thing, parent name we have to here. Okay, in the table, let's show parent name in the table. Let's add here, and no, copy and paste parent name, orderable false, sortable false. Let's parent name. Let's see, go back, parent name is not coming. That means let's see the controller. Okay, here is this one. We have to only sending images row. Let's if request category, this category is parent id, then get, don't give this one. Okay, and then item parent name equals to item parent name. Item we need a category and category parent name. Okay, that's it. So and then also not coming. Return category. Okay, what was the issue here? Parent name not coming. That means any relation issue. Parent category parent id, same one, parent name. Let's see, click on name, categories, data, see, slug apple image. That means parent id is not selected, select query is mistake. Okay, here we need to parent id also in the the select query. So electronics coming of this parent, electronics coming, Samsung M21 also 1, right? So all have parents. This is a parent, but Apple not electronics 1, electronics 1. This is under the Samsung. Now this is parent. Okay, let's create edit. Delete already have, right? So no need to delete. Yes, it's going to back to admin section. That's a mistake, but we will do the later. Okay, thank you.